let's take a look at the DeWALT stapler and brad nailer. So this is the heavy duty stapler. Now, first impressions of the build is that it's well built and feels like it'll last a long time. In fact, I do have an old one of these and it has lasted me many years and it's still going strong. I've just bought a new one to do this video. So it can fire staples and brad nails. And to see the sizes, you can look on the side here, get that in focus. So this is the staple and this is the brad nails. This heavy duty one just comes with one power setting, and it's just once you press the handle down, it'll fire the staple or the brad nail out of here. However, there is an upgradable version. It's called the 5-in-1, and that's a slide here and at the back, and you can change the setting to how much pressure you want to be fired from the staple. Very easy to load the staples. Just press this down, load your staples up in there, close it back up, and then fire with your staple. Now, do I recommend this? It does have a safety catch there, which you can close up. A bit tricky to get it on, but there you go. Now, that's safety. Do I recommend it? If you're looking for a stapler, one what's well built, what fires both staples and brad nails, then yeah, well worth checking out. If you want a bit more control, get the upgradable one, the 5-in-1. However, this one personally, I've never had any problems firing any staples or brad nails into anything. So there's a link in the description where you can get this relatively cheap. Let us know in the comments what you think of it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.